Hey everybody, welcome to my first video of the year. My name is Saitira McCullough. I'm a natural hair enthusiast. If you enjoy this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe. Turn on all your notifications so that you never miss an upload. Also, I will be pushing these videos out because apparently YouTube only start recommending your videos as a new channel when you make at least 5 to 10 videos. You all read the title, you know what you're here for. This is my natural hair wash routine. I'm just gonna break it down real briefly for those of you guys who don't know who the heck I am, never seen me before a day in your life. So 1, I only wash my hair downward. 2, I rinse my hair for about 1 to 2 minutes before shampooing. That's actually a must. I'm a low porosity natural, so if you're a low porosity gal, please feel free to join the community. I deep condition when I feel I need to. It could be 1 time a week, 2 times a month. It could be 0 that month. It all just depends on my hair. I use rinse out conditioners weekly and I prefer them to foam. I detangle my hair all over as well. I don't section. I forgot to mention that I don't section my hair when I'm washing as well as what you guys see. I keep my hair stretched out for the most part to avoid knots and tangles and unnecessary situations when it comes to detangling 4-type kinky coily hair. When I apply my gels, I apply them out of the shower unless it's a botanical gel. I'll apply that in the shower only because I get the best results on soaking wet hair. Other than that, I mostly do my wash and goes outside of the shower, and I just use my trusty spray bottle with water as needed. I will be posting a product recommendation video next, so stay tuned. Now let's get into the good stuff. I want to dive a little deep into what I've been experiencing with my hair for the past, I don't know, maybe 9 months. And basically my dermatitis has flared up again. Those of you guys who do know me from 4C Chick, you all know my consistent battle with serobic dermatitis, and I believe it's because of the jam gels that I have been using. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, I've been doing a lot of hairstyle content, and I've also been doing some protective styling behind the scene. And so I've been using the Shine Jam as my primary go-to gel for sleekness and smoothness when I'm doing my protective styles. So I believe that's what contributed to the flare up and the flakes. I've thought about going back to Ayurvedic oils, but before I do that, I really want to consult with my natural hairstylist first, just to see if she has any recommendations on shampoos and conditioners that I can use that can lessen the appearance or the flare-ups of the serobic dermatitis. Because using Ayurvedic oils, you are using heavy raw oils, and I really just don't want to do that because that's going to compromise my definition with my wash and goes. Also, when it comes to products, I am using products that have oils and butters in the top 5 ingredients. I am not scoping out products and trying to figure out what is the first 5. No, we're not doing that, especially in 2024. We wasn't doing it in 2023. We're not bringing it into 2024. I honestly like the way that my hair looks when it has oils and butters in the top 5 ingredients when it comes to braid outs and twist outs. I do not like the way that mousse makes my hair look with twist outs and braid outs. It just looks dry and it looks stiff. But when I use my products that have the oils and butters in the top 5 ingredients, my hair looks juicy. The definition is just better overall. The shine, all of it. So this is day 5 with the wash and go, and to me, I'm pretty satisfied with how my hair is still defined yet voluminous. And guess what product this is? The product that I keep snatching off the shelves, that the stores cannot keep on the shelves, and that is African Pride Curl Defining Gel. It's affordable. At this point, I am not being over stressing out trying to find botanical gels, that's $28, $50, $100. Okay, this gel does the job of 3 gels. Not only that, it's a 1-band man. So there, If you guys stayed all the way to the end, comment this emoji and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.